Here are 3 popular gold prospecting techniques to recover gold. G'day, my name is Matt. It's great to have your attention today. Do you love to chase the gold? Did you know there are various methods to find gold and to recover gold? Some of these methods have been used for over 150 years by small-scale gold prospectors like yourself and myself. But today we're going to narrow it down just to 3 tools, 3 items that you can use to recover gold. And the first item is the gold pan. Perhaps the most common and oldest way to recover gold. It's inexpensive, it's discreet, and it's very simple to use. You simply fill your pan of gravels and pay dirt and move the pan from side to side underwater to separate the gold from the gravels or from the pay dirt material. And since gold is heavy, it will sink to the bottom of the pan, and simply by tipping the pan forward at a slight angle, and by tipping the pan at a slight angle, you can wash the lighter material from the top of the gold pan into the stream or into the water source. Eventually, all you will be left with in the pan is the gold, hopefully, and the heavy black sands. Pans are great for their portability, their affordability, and the ability to sample different areas quickly. At number 2 is the high banker, or a sluice box. I know they are a little different, but it serves the same purpose, and it uses the same method. So what is a high banker or a sluice box? A high banker or a sluice box is an effective tool to recover gold from a river or stream or from your pay dirt material, and it uses a means of water and gravity to recover the gold. So if you have a high banker, you can take your pay dirt material to your high banker. It may be at home or it may be out on the river, but you can take your material that you're wishing to process to extract the gold to the high banker or to the sluice box. So the high banker or sluice box, it's a narrow trough with some type of mat in the base of the trough. Through the flowing turbulence of the water processes the material, or the gold bearing material is washed, separated, and because the gold is heavy, it is caught in the matting. The gold will get trapped in the riffles or the matting, or like this dream mat here, these cells. This method has been used for many years and is a simple way to process more material in a quicker time frame compared to the trusty old gold pan that we just talked about. It's essentially a mini mining wash plant. Next up, for number 3, a metal detector. A metal detector is an electronic device designed to find metal objects buried in the ground. The detector has a long shaft with a search coil that you sweep over the surface of the ground, and when the coil passes over a metal object, it returns a tone to the user, alerting the user of a metal target below the coil. While metal detectors are extremely effective for finding gold nuggets, they also have a very steep learning curve to an extent if you're a beginner and if you want to be successful. It's important to invest in a quality metal detector that is designed specifically for finding gold. Drawbacks of a metal detector is you will spend more time digging trash potentially than gold, but on the other hand you will find larger gold nuggets and it's all going to be worth your effort. It's a very rewarding experience. If you are truly interested in finding large gold nuggets, then a metal detector is probably your best option. In closing, I want to remind you that there is a lot of smaller gold compared to larger gold nuggets. And smaller gold, when collected and recovered, all adds up. I've found ounces and ounces of gold using all three of these techniques and have recovered the most gold probably through high banking, as long as you are onto a good gold bearing deposit, that is. Thanks for your attention today. Please do consider subscribing and please do like the video. Stay safe out there and happy prospecting.